Whimsy's House is brought to you in part by America's dairy farmers, the Got Milk people, who believe that teaching your kids about nutritious foods is the foundation for strong bodies and smart minds.
This is PTV.
New Jersey's Educational Telecommunications Network, NJN.
WNJN Montclair, broadcasting from the campus of Montclair State University.
Funding for Arthur is provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and viewers like you, the National Endowment for Children's Educational Television, and by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, and by Baby Gap.
And by Polaroid. Exactly what develops when you use a Polaroid camera? A smile? Self-esteem? Oh yeah, a picture. Polaroid.
And by
Libby's Juicy Juice. Juicy Juice. 100% juice for 100% kids.